The worst part of KTM 390 ADV, and I am fixing it permanently, making it god level strong.
So I've lost the count of number of times I have fixed this guy with Fevikwik, and each time it keeps breaking. So today I'm gonna take it out and make it something very permanent.
टूट गया ना। अरे पीछे से किसी ने धक्का मार दिया था यार।
ये निकल तो नहीं रहा भाई, इसका अंदर से बोल्ट भी जो है ना वो भी घूम जा रहा है, तो मैं तब से घुमाया जा रहा हूँ, निकल नहीं रहा है। और जब देखोगे कल मैं ऑफ रोड गया था तो ये वाला पीस भी है, ये जो पहले से ऑलरेडी किसी ने धक्का मारा था तो टूट गया था, वो और भी टूट गया है। तो इसको भी मैं पूरा खोल ही लेता हूँ, पूरा खोलना ही पड़ेगा इसको निकालने के लिए मुझे, पूरा खोल लेता हूँ। उसके बाद फिर इसको भी आज ठीक ही कर दूँगा।
You don't need to open the tail. In my case, the indicator was not coming out because the bolt had slipped, so I had to take the complete tail out. So if that's not the issue with you, you can totally avoid this step. Just take the indicator out. So first we unscrewed from here, then here, and then we took off all the wirings which are gonna stay with this, and then we have to cut the zip tie here. So ये भाई खुल के आ गई अपने हाथ में, and now let's fix it. This looks better by the way. What if I fix the number plate here and then both the indicators over here? Tail tied, yeah. Getting the bolt of indicator is the toughest part that I have done in this. I had to cut the complete thing off to get the nut out so that I can hold it at this side with the wrench and then use the another side. Just like if you look at this side it is already fixed. I'm not sure when this will come off or not, but yeah, for now it has come out. And so if you have a drilling machine, it is easy. You can drill two holes, one on this side, one on this side, but I don't have it, so I'm using a nail, heating it up, and then using it to drill it before I put screw in it. The idea is very simple. We have to put two screw in it, just like you can see in this image, and that's both the screw should pass through that center fragile part which keeps breaking. Unlike me, if it is already broken, I would suggest first join it with the Fevikwik and then you drill the hole. Take two screw and make sure that head of the screw is the flathead one. Also make sure you drill it in such a way that once you tight the screw, the level of the head of the screw and the surrounding surface is completely flat, otherwise it will be difficult to put it back in the bike if the screw head is above the surrounding surface level.
You were out there for 85 days. You couldn't let me die. On that rock.
And for this broken piece, I'm thinking to use this. I'll just straighten it out and then put it here like this, and put two holes and put a screw in it, and that will again be very sturdy. So finally it is ready, and even though you want it, you cannot break this thing now. It's super sturdy now.